Hey everybody, it's Dana. Welcome to my channel. So today's review, I actually had something I had actually planned to do because when Corey and I travel, we like to stay at hotels that are pet friendly because we do have a little dog. So I'm coming to you today because I wanted to talk about the Home2 Suites in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'll put the address down in the description. But first, let me give you just a quick view of the actual room. You got your refrigerator, good size, freezer. It's gonna come with your dishes, a microwave, sink. You're gonna get soap and stuff, coffee maker. It also comes with a dishwasher. This is neat right here. I like this little table that comes out. So we pull it out and eat, and you can push it back and pull it out if you want to use it as a desk. There's a light, plugs, shelf. It's kind of pretty modern here. There is a pull-out sofa over here, so you can pull it out if you want to. And so it would sleep double the amount. This is a king size room. There's Pop-Tart. She just finished eating. Right, and it comes with the TV. Another open shelf, desk area if that's what you wanted to use it for. An open closet. Bedside table over here. And this is a king bedside table over here. Alright, so I was really excited to do this review for you guys because I like staying at Home2 Suites hotels. They're actually what we look for when we're traveling with Pop-Tart. Because usually they're typically new because they're a newer brand for Hilton, and also they're all set up the same way, so you know what to expect, what the rooms look like, everything. So actually we are coming back from our trip and going towards where we were going. We stayed here as well, and we stayed in the same room because we liked the room. Well, so we stayed in the same room, and I came back. Guys, I'm so disappointed to tell you it's true. They don't wash the comforters. I'm so disappointed. I don't even know what to say. So when we were here going, we were going to North Carolina. So when we were here going to North Carolina, we stayed here and noticed a stain on the comforter. Whatever, we were just spending the night. We didn't request a new room or anything. Coming back here, several days later, we're back, staying in the same room. Guys, it's the same comforter. And how do I know? It has the same stain on it. Let's take a look. Now, I don't know how well you can see this. I took a picture of it too. See this right here? So today is Wednesday. This stain was up here on Saturday. Corey, Saturday or Sunday? Sunday. The stain was here Sunday, and here it is Wednesday, and it's still here. Now, full disclosure, I personally travel with my own blanket just because I have a thing. But I'm so disappointed, guys. I don't even know what to say. I mean, maybe I'm naive for thinking that they would actually change it and wash the sheets and stuff. I don't know. Anyway, I'll show you the rest of the room. Let's go look at the bathroom. So hi. Hey. See? All right. So this is the bathroom. See the bathroom. Shower. And their bathroom includes shower gel and shampoo. Looks, I guess, clean enough. Alright guys, so now comes that time where I would normally tell you whether I think you should skip, try, or buy a product or service. And it's funny because I was honestly leaning towards buy before all this happened. And now I'm wondering if I should say skip. But, you know, I like to give people a second chance. This may just have been something that happened this time. I don't know. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reach out to Hilton. And depending on the response that I get back, I will follow up, and I may change my review. But unfortunately, at this point, my direct experience today lets me know that I'm going to have to tell you to skip this.
Some unexpected things have happened since this taping, and I wanted to share them with you. So I did reach out to Hilton customer service and showed them the unfinished version of my review. They were very responsive. We were actually staying in another Home2 Suites hotel, totally unrelated. You could check out my video about our canceled cruise when Hilton reached out to us, and I want to share with you their responses. So my final thoughts. Although I do not think this was a case of a stubborn stain, I do believe that had I called attention to the issue, that management at the hotel would have provided us with clean bedding. Unfortunately, after being on the road and having to get up early and drive to work the next day, we were tired and just wanted to have dinner and go to bed. Based on the response we received, I believe Home2 Suites hotels wash their top comforters regularly, whatever that means, but not specifically in between guests. I also believe that staff is told to remove any bedding with stains, and in this case it was an oversight. That being said, I will upgrade my review to a try, and here are a few reasons why. In researching this, I'm finding that most hotel chains apparently do not wash their top comforters between every guest. While gross, where else am I going to stay? Home2 Suites has otherwise always provided me with consistent and satisfactory service and accommodations. As I mentioned, I already bring my own cover, so I will continue to do so and wash it myself. And finally, as I mentioned before, Hilton customer service was extremely responsive. We ended up actually staying in another Home2 Suites hotel due to some issues with Hurricane Dorian, and they actually sent us a little gift bag of drinks and snacks and even some doggy bones for our dog to apologize for the issue we had at a different Home2 Suites. I just thought that was outstanding customer service. You can also see where they offered us in their response a free night at a hotel to make up for the bad night that we had. Hey, have you ever stayed at a hotel and run into some issues? If so, what happened and how did the hotel resolve them? Leave it down in the comments. Thanks for watching.